Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're gonna be doing some fishing, and tomorrow we might go on our boat, and we're gonna go to Wapton for Blue Goose Days. Pelican.
Pelican. I'll leave it out. Oh, right there, Briggs. There? No. Oh yeah, something's there. Relax. Alright, we got something. What do we got here? Bring her up. Get this out of the way. Why? Bring him over. Oh no! No! Oh. Well, what do you have to say for yourself? So what are we using?
We're using worms and jigs.
What color jigs?
What colors?
Oh, we got a fire tiger one.
We got a fire tiger.
Chartreuse.
A chartreuse.
An orange one.
An orange one.
Yeah. The big. What do they have on them again?
Worms.
Big fat night crawlers, don't they?
And there's a carp that just jumped there.
Are we? What are we doing with them? Are we just putting a bobber on them, or what are we doing?
We're just letting them sit on the bottom with no bobber.
Oh, there's a bite. I got one. Come over here. Come over here. Hurry up. There we go.
Oh, dang it.
No, you got him. Don't you?
What the?
Nope. Lost another one. I think Dad's going to have to catch the next one.
No.
Here.
He must have had both of them.
Oh. Here you go. That one bit hard. Watch out. I got a cast.
June 4th today. And the water is pretty murky today.
See that mud line? You can almost see it in the water. I don't know if you guys can see it. Anything else?
Hopefully we catch some walleye. Hopefully I don't lose another fish.
Are you here so you won't get fined?
Yeah. Whatever that means. I want to try casting on one of the carp jumps when they jump up and see if I can catch it.
Yeah, one of the things you're going to do when you do that though,
What?
lose a lot of worms.
I'll use a plain jig.
You're going to use a jig without any bait.
Just watch what I use.
It's a bold strategy, Cotton.
I tied a good knot. Look at it.
You're going to tie a good knot and then cut your finger off?
Look at it. We're gonna use this jig and try to cast on a surfacing carp and see if we can catch it.
Lots of light biters tonight, huh?
Yeah.
Been a while since we've been down here on the river. Why'd you want to go to the river instead of going on the boat tonight?
I had all kinds of stuff to do.
What'd you have today?
I had baseball.
And?
Basketball camp.
And? What'd you do this morning?
Weightlifting.
You're a busy man. Oh, shoot.
What?
I had a bite there. Of course it did. Ah, I felt the bite too. Dang it. Missed him.
I felt wrong.
I'm guessing it was splash from the water. Dang it. Missed him. We're not very good fishermen, are we? At least not tonight.
Gonna watch. My weird, it's
your weird?
my custom lure.
You are a custom lure. What are you fishing with there?
A sunflower seed.
Fishing with the big sizzling bacon.
Bruh.
So that is a bold strategy here. I think the only thing you're gonna catch on there is a Briggs fish. Alright, that was a decent bite on this one. Get us? Yeah. I should put some fresh bait on there. Seems like we're just donating night crawlers. Wait. Here we go. Come on. Can't hold him forever, dude. There we go. Here, I'll get on this side of you, go up a little farther. Other way. That's not up, that's down. Ooh, nice walleye. Keep him on. Let's see if Dad can hook him. Lift him up. Got him. There you go. Take him out. Got one. That was a hard bite. What we got here? Ooh, it's a nice one. About 19 inches, I bet. How are we gonna... Here, I'm under the gill there, dude. There you go. All right, did he hail it? Here, turn around. Just a corner hook?
Yep. Damn it.
Turn around.
Hold a minute.
You got him or you want me to get him?
You get me a pliers?
Pliers is in the bucket, I think. Give me a second here. There we go. I'll be right with you. Oh boy, don't fall in. Want me to get him? I can snap him.
Oh, I got it.
You got it? All right. Oh, I just stabbed him. There you go, look at me. Smile. It's a nice one. Got one. Come here. I think we got two. You go closer. Here. Go over here, closer. I'll come to you. Why? Get him over here, don't get him in the tin. There we go. Here you go.
I can get him again.
Good, because I think I have a bite over here. There we go. Briggs, don't hang that net off the side. There we go. Another keeper, I think. Don't hang them close to the tin. What's going to happen? Bring them up. Hey, yep, grab them with a little force. Another keeper, nice one. Another eater. No, grab him.
I'm getting him off.
Yeah, if you hold him loosely, buddy, he's gonna just shake, and then you're gonna be right back where you started. There you go. All right, I don't think you need a... So turn that hook. There you go. There we go. Ooh, he's barely on there, wasn't he? How big do you think he is? You can pick him up? Yeah, don't pick him up like that. Pick him up pretty solid. Here, let's see. Come on. There you go. Turn around. He's probably he's probably bigger than 14, maybe 15. All right, you can't hold them light and loose like that, otherwise you're gonna get away. Yep, can't hold them light and loose.
I'm holding them tight.
Okay. No, you're not. You know why I know that? Because what just happened?
What?
Yep. All right, we put them on the stringer. All right. Do you want to talk about your baseball game today to your loyal fans?
Yeah.
How'd it go?
Good.
It went good? What does that mean?
We tied.
Expand on that. What happened?
In the second game, we had to face a Babe Ruth pitcher.
Mm-hmm. Anybody get a hit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not me.
Yeah.
But just compaction to like the GoPro size.
Oh, whoa. There we go. Jesus.
Can I get it?
Yeah. Okay. No, come over here. Other way. Here you go. Gotcha. Yeah, keep that rod tip tight. I'm coming with a net. Yeah, Briggs, don't yank it like that. Just keep it steady and nice and steady and reel. Bring him, try to get him not under the tin. Reel. He's coming under the tin. Oh, it's a carp.
It's a nice carp.
Is there such a thing as a nice carp?
I don't know.
Oh, Briggs, other rod. Get him. Hustle, just drop this one. Take it. Is there a fish there?
Yep.
Okay, there was.
Good.
Okay, this one's off. Oh, we might have to lift that other one. Is it a walleye?
It's a walleye.
Lift them up. Just lift them. Lift them. Come on. Lift. There you go.
We're wheeling and dealing.
Wheeling and dealing. And the camera's on the floor here. I'll get the walleye here in a second. I'll get you on camera here. Just let me. I'll get the carp here. Got him off. Carp. I knew that was a carp. There you go. I'll get this off. On that note, we probably should head home.
Should we keep him? He's a smaller.
Let me see. Yeah, he's 14. We'll keep him. He might even be 15. Oh, we got a mess here.
Here, look at him.
I don't think you're on the camera.
Slipped. Slippity slipped her. Right on. Bro wants the seeds.
Hey, bro.
What?
How about you concentrate on holding the walleye?
Okay, bro.
There we go. All right. Should we give it about 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Since we're catching. Yeah, I'm coming.
It's a nice one. Should I stay or no? I'm sitting down, really. Here.
Here you go. Perfect users.
How many limit? Do we got almost a limit?
4.
We need one more for a limit.
One more for a limit. Thank you.
Can I get him?
Nope, this one's mine. That's a
Okay.
walleye.
Okay, I'll do a terrible job.
Oh, yeah. I got him.
Hey, we got a limit.
Oh boy. Came off.
We have a limit.
Got one limit. Boy. I don't know if we need to go to Lamoure. We just stay here. No, you don't. It's slipping. One limit.
I want limit. We have one limit now, guys. Hopefully we get some more.
How much longer are we giving it? 10 more minutes?
Yeah, we're giving it 10 more minutes.
After way after your bedtime.
And I stay up until 9:30 every day.
What a beautiful fishing night.
Well, we ended up with 5 today, guys. And like and subscribe to Peterson Fishing.
Peace.
Peace.
You gonna give your shout out to anybody?
Shout out to Bruin Adventures. Go subscribe to his channel.
You think he talks more than you do? We're giving you a shout out, Bentley.
Yeah,
But we need a response.
put it down in the comments.
What was your favorite thing about basketball camp today?
The white thing that you got to click.
Oh yeah, you've done that before.
Yeah. Winning.
Winning?
Winning.
Oh, yep, winning the competition.
Yeah.
Who ran your camp today?
MJ.
MJ. You give a shout out to MJ. He watches your videos.
Yeah.
Yeah. So give him a shout out.
Shout out to MJ.
And his basketball camp.
Yeah. Shout out to Chuckies Bait Shop
Where's that at?
in Lamoure.
Why are you shouting them out?
Because that's where we always get our bait.
Does it have good bait?
Yes.
Heck yes, it does.
Yes.
It's a fun store. Go visit it.
Mm-hmm.
Anybody else you want to give a shout out to?
Mm.
Huh?
No.
No? How about any of your favorite YouTubers? Any favorite fishermen you want to give a shout out to?
Zach Michelson.
Zach Michelson?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we probably fish a lot of the same stuff you fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.